just for scale comparison, to make sure it's true to scale, 1/25, 1/24 scale. This right here is a Welly diecast 1963 Impala Lowrider. You can see it fits in really nice. This is the same scale as the plastic model kits of all the cars, like AMT, Revel, whatever brand. This is down the scale. So the reason why I choose for the option that have all the parts separate is because it will make the painting process much easier. It also allowed me to actually get the steering action going. Now, the bicycles in the background are chrome. I accomplished this by using liquid chrome by Molotov, but you can also find somebody who is good at kind of chrome plating scale models. The bikes are 3D printed, really lightweight, great quality. This is my product for now. In the future I'll have more parts available. Working out an idea for a tri-kit, working on a continental kit, twisted bumper, mufflers, rolling wheels. I'm actually working on rolling wheels. And we'll see what kind of ideas I'll run into and create some more parts in the future. So I want to thank you for watching my video, and well, happy building.